Just here with the sheep. Today it's a really kind of a cold, wet day. But I come out here and I'm shaking all these persimmon trees. Shaking all the persimmons off them, and the sheep are eating them. They're going to pick them up off the ground for us so we can get a little more utilization of these persimmon trees. If you watch, I'm just going to shake this. Oh, that didn't do it. Shaking a bunch of persimmons off. This is what they look like. Good old persimmon. Sheep just eat them right up. They're over there working on them right now.